Well, hello there. Welcome once more to Quench's Kitchen. And if this is your first time stopping by, I would like to say a very warm akwaba to you. Today I'm sharing with you my gravy recipe, which is very simple but so delicious and totally made from scratch. It's going to be the perfect accompaniment for your turkey and mashed potatoes. So I hope you try this. You will love it. So for my Thanksgiving gravy, I always use the pan drippings from cooking my turkey. And so like I'm doing right now, I strain it because there are these particles in there definitely that you really don't want to have in your gravy. So once I'm done straining this, I'm going to go ahead and melt some butter. And this is just a tablespoon of butter. And once it's melted, I am going to add a 1/3 cup of flour. This is just regular flour. I'm actually using all-purpose flour. And I'm just going to stir this flour for about a full minute, letting it toast a little bit more. And as you can see, it has absorbed all the butter. It's almost no butter, but the stock has some, oil from the turkey. I skimmed off some, but it's still going to have some of the fat. And I think that is just enough oil in my gravy. So now that it's toasted for that minute, I'm just gradually adding in my drippings. Gradually, in as much as you want to omit lumps, it's okay if it forms lumps because once this is cooked, you can strain it, and that is what I'm going to do. But I still try to gradually add the liquid and constantly whisk it as I do so that I can get as much of the clumps dissolved as I can. So I'll continue to stir and gradually add in my drippings until I have added the very last of it. And at this point, I'm just going to let this simmer on very low heat for about 10 minutes. If you haven't made your homemade gravy before, I know you might think it is just so convenient to buy the store-bought gravy, but I tell you, the store-bought gravy has nothing on your homemade gravy, totally from scratch. I tell you. So I hope you try this. This is so easy to make. It's simple and quick, and it's just going to be well enjoyed and so much appreciated by everybody that you serve it to. So this I have allowed to cook on low, like I said, for the 10 minutes, and now it is perfectly done. It thickened up just a little bit, but that is how I want it. If you want it to be a little bit lighter, you can always go ahead and thin it out some more, but I think this is perfect. And now I'm just straining it again just to make sure that I have no lumps. So I strained my stock and then I'm straining now. And so once it's strained, your gravy is ready. Silky, velvety, delicious, smells amazing. It tastes divine. And so now it's just ready to be poured into my gravy boat and ready for the table. And I tell you, everybody that tastes this would know that you didn't cheat. You didn't get one from the jar. This is, totally different from what you will get from the jar. So I really hope you try this. Just look at this. Look at how it runs so beautifully on the mashed potatoes and that turkey. Look, is this not just beautiful, and not just beautiful, but so tasty? I really hope you try this. And until I come your way next time with something delicious, be loving, be kind, be happy.